In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish HubSpot form. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a form offline in HubSpot so it stops collecting submissions and no longer appears where it's been shared. First, open your browser, head to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the right workspace and that your user has permission to manage forms. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual so you land on your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and locate the marketing section. Depending on your layout, you might see marketing in the main navigation. Either way, you're looking for the option labeled Forms. Go ahead and click Forms to open the Forms dashboard. This is where all of your forms live, whether they're embedded on your website, shared as standalone links, or used inside HubSpot pages. On the Forms dashboard, find the specific form you want to unpublish. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name or type. It's a good idea to quickly confirm you've selected the correct form, especially if you have similar versions for different campaigns. Now hover your mouse over that form to reveal additional options, then click Actions. Here's the key detail. In HubSpot, there isn't a simple unpublished toggle for forms. To remove a form from being live and usable, you need to delete it. This is HubSpot's way of ensuring the form is no longer accessible anywhere it's been shared or embedded. Click Delete in the Actions menu. HubSpot will prompt you to confirm because deleting a form prevents it from collecting any new submissions. Take a moment to consider any ongoing campaigns or pages that reference this form. If teams rely on it, let them know it's coming down so they can plan a replacement. When you're ready, click Delete Form to confirm. After you confirm, the form is effectively unpublished. It will no longer accept submissions, and anywhere it was embedded or linked will no longer display the form. If you still need a form for a future campaign, you can always create a new one from scratch when you're ready to go live again. That's it. Open HubSpot, go to Marketing, select Forms, hover over your form, choose Actions, click Delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, be sure to check your pages and automations so everything continues to run smoothly without that form.